Every second you spend watching this, ask yourself, why are the people you need most, the top talent you crave, still walking away, while salary battles barely scratch the surface of their real pain? Look around your team. Are they truly engaged or just punching clocks, waiting for the weekend, dreaming of escape? Money buys attention for a moment, but it never buys loyalty, passion, or the fire that fuels extraordinary results. That's the brutal truth many founders and leaders refuse to face. Salary is a shot in the dark at solving a problem it can't fix. The real problem, the one that drains energy and kills dreams, is a vacuum in human connection, purpose, and respect at work. People aren't just numbers earning paychecks. They are complex souls craving meaning, recognition, and the freedom to grow. The rage you feel when the best people leave, that's the system failing you and them. Salary is a band-aid on a bullet wound. If your employees don't feel seen, trusted, and supported on a deeply human level, that money will never make them stay. You want to stop the turnover? You want to unlock relentless motivation? Then stop acting like the answer is more zeros on a paycheck and start putting soft benefits at the core of your business culture. This isn't touchy-feely nonsense. It's the fuel of sustainable success. Health benefits that actually care for mental and physical well-being, flexible schedules that respect life outside the office, clear growth paths that scream opportunity, genuine recognition that makes someone's heart swell. These are the weapons in your arsenal you've been ignoring. Here's the deal. Flexibility is power. Not just remote work, but real flexibility, letting people own their time, their work, their lives. It screams trust and respect, and guess what? People return it tenfold. Stop micromanaging, start empowering. Unshackle your teams from rigid 9-to-5 prisons and watch focus and creativity explode. And listen to this. Purpose matters more than pay. Yes, money is necessary, but it's the why behind the work that grabs people by the soul. Craft a mission so compelling that your team wakes up hungry to contribute, not just waiting to clock out. That's the kind of magnetic culture that stops the talent drain cold. Now recognize this. Real growth isn't just climbing a ladder with titles that mean less every year. It's about learning, evolving, and having the space to reinvent yourself repeatedly. Give your people the chance to build skills beyond their job description, to experiment, to fail, and to come back stronger. Here's a rare insight. Make benefits personal and flexible. A one-size-fits-all approach is the enemy. Some need parental leave, others need mental health days. Others crave sabbaticals, or even simple quiet zones. Ask, listen, and craft benefit packages that truly resonate with individual lives. This is how loyalty gets tattooed on the heart. Cut through the noise. The war for talent is won or lost on these invisible battlegrounds. If you only chase salary wars, you're always a step behind. But if you fight with soft human benefits that honor freedom, belonging, and growth, you don't just keep people. You turn them into transformers, collaborators, fierce protectors of your vision. Right now, ask yourself this. Are you building a playground for souls or a paycheck factory? Leaders who embrace soft benefits create teams that don't just work for money, they build legacies that matter. Start today. Rethink benefits not as perks, but as the lifeblood of your company culture. Put heart where spreadsheets once ruled. Give people freedom, respect, growth, and watch whole worlds of value emerge where before there was only frustration and loss. The time to stop running after talent is now. Build a place people fight to be part of, a place where soft benefits become the ultimate salary. That's when the real power shifts, right into your hands. Don't wait, own it, make it happen.